Continuous lighting versus strobe lighting. What is the best in the studio? Let's find out. We just finished a photo shoot with a client, and I figured while we were in the studio, we would show you the difference between a continuous light and a strobe light. We're gonna shoot with the camera at the exact same setting so you can see the difference. We'll try to match the power of the lights about the same, but I'm gonna say now, I don't think there's gonna be that much of a difference. I prefer to shoot with flash, but some people like continuous. What do you think? Is there a difference? Leave your comments below if you think there's a difference, if you think they're the same, and let's check it out. Reflector with a simple cloth diffuser. We're gonna start with the continuous light. Let's see what it looks like. All right, there's Misty. How you doing, Misty? Not sure? Okay, so let's get our settings together here. The Sony a7 III, because we're old school and getting new cameras is silly. All right, so just the one light. Okay, look this way. Give me a smile. There we go. All right, so that's that photo. Now I'm gonna switch these lights out and turn this one off. And we're gonna pop it on this other light. Turn this bad boy on. Now this one is like a shotgun of power, like I said earlier. Let's go to 1/64 of this. That's too much. 1/128 of it. See, it's already so much that, oh, there we go, here we go. 1/128. This is the lowest it goes, a 600 watt light. And this is what the photo looks like. It's a huge difference.
Versus.
Yeah, which one's better? So what do you think? Which one's better? Let me know in the comments, and kiss your mother goodnight for me. Make sure to like and subscribe and all the things that YouTube needs you to do so that you can help us grow our very small channel. Or else.